Hello and welcome. Good to have you with us. Continuing our top 5 static and dynamic MCQ series, let's discuss the first question of the day. The first question is asking choose the correct statement. First statement Dada Bhai Nauroji edited the Rast Guftar or the Tooth Tailor, an Anglo Gujarati paper. Yes, first statement is correct. Statement second, he also started the magazine Dharma Margdarshak. Second statement is also correct. So option C both is correct because he edited the Rast Guftar or the Truth Teller and also started the magazine Dharma Margdarshak. So option C is correct both. Now moving to our second question, consider the following statements regarding the International Atomic Energy Agency. First statement, it seeks to promote the peaceful use of nuclear energy and to curb its use for any military purposes including nuclear weapons. First statement is correct. Second, it is widely known as the world's Atoms for Peace and Development organization within the United Nations family. It is also correct. Third statement, its headquarters is located in Austrian capital Vienna. Third statement is also correct. So option A all is correct. Now moving to our third question, under which article of the Indian Constitution the Supreme Court has the power to punish for contempt of court? Option A Article 101, option B Article 127, option C Article 129, option D Article 139, and the correct option is option C Article 129 gives the power to the Supreme Court to punish for the contempt of court. Now moving to our fourth question, consider the following statement. First statement, India is the world's leading producer of saffron. It is incorrect because India is not the world's leading producer of saffron, but it is Iran's. Second statement, Himachal Pradesh is the biggest producer of saffron in India. It is also incorrect because only Jammu Kashmir which produces the saffron in India. So option A none, because both statement is incorrect. Now moving to our fifth question, in which country the Bhasan Char or Char Pia Island is located? Option A Bangladesh, option B Thailand, option C Sri Lanka, option D Indonesia, and the correct option or answer is option A Bangladesh, where Bhasan Char or Char Pia Island is located. Thanks to all viewers and subscribers of our Last Mile Approach channel. Please like, share, subscribe and support our initiative.